Welcome to social classes. In this video we are discussing the most important questions for BA BSc second semester, subject computer science and paper C programming. We have made the videos of most important questions for almost every subject for every class, so you can check out the playlist of your class by going to the channel and find your subjects and study from them. And if by any chance your subject is missing from the playlist, you can comment us down the same and we will try to make a video on that subject. Now, C programming paper is of 30 marks and is divided into 5 sections: A, B, C, D and E. For C programming, there were slightly less questions available and less question papers available, I would say. So we have still managed to try to give you most important questions for it. Section A will have 2 questions and there'll be a choice. You have to attempt one of them and it will carry 6 marks. As the students of computer science subject may already know, your sections A, B, C, and D are divided, like certain chapters belong to section A and certain chapters belong to section B. So like you can get questions from another chapter which belongs to section A. So divide it, and some people like to choose certain chapters and leave some of them, but I would still say that follow these most important questions, as computer science is such an exam that they put similar questions or similar topics, so it is a little bit repetitive. So do these questions thoroughly and you will find that you'll perform well. In section B also 2 questions. You have to attempt one and it will carry 6 marks. And same for section C and D as well. So this was section C. And now on to section D. Same, 2 questions, attempt one out of them and it carries 6 marks. Now section E, which is your compulsory question, and as you will not be having a choice here like other sections, you have to attempt one out of the 2. Here you'll have to attempt all. There'll be around like 5 or 6 parts. However, there might be an internal choice where you have to attempt like 5, 6 and there'll be 8 questions. So that's a choice they do give, but section E overall is a compulsory question. So these all are short questions, short question answers, and you have to attempt them in that format as well. And these carry either 1 mark or 1.5 or even sometimes 2, but that's very rarely. You'll either get 1 or 1.5 marks since these are short question answers. Whatever the choice may be or the marks, they will write that down or list it. And these 6 things, so you have to define these: storage classes, switch statement, recursion, decision table, logical operators, debugging. So you have to define them and write a quite short note on it. These are short questions, but some people like to write like 3-4 lines at least, and they usually score more marks. So if you have the time, I would suggest that you write more and not look at some of the marks that they account for, specifically in section E, because as you know, this paper is only of 30 marks, but you have 3 hours to attempt the same. So if you have the time, do write more in your answers, especially in the short question answer. Thank you for watching and all the best for your exam.